Hi and welcome at Know Informatics. This is the user guide on how to register any of our software. When you open up your app for the first time, the following window will appear. In this window, you just enter your company key or company name, or if you don't know it, please contact us. And then to continue, just press OK. In this next window, the first thing you do is to type in your server name, or if you don't know it, just double click on the opening and from the drop down you choose the server. And then you type in your SQL login details, both your username and your password, or if you prefer to use Windows authentication, just tick the box. And then you choose your database. Again, you can type it in, or just double click on the window and from the drop down you choose the database you want to use. And lastly, you type OK to accept everything, and voila, it is done. You are registered. Thank you for using our software. Please feel free to contact us if you need any assistance. Know Informatics, because it is good to know.